Hello, friend. If you are new here, welcome. If you've been called to serve in senior care, specifically in assisted living or group home in Florida, you will find my videos very helpful. My videos are focused on bringing you clarity in Florida licensing rules and regulations, figuring out what type of property is best for you, how to deal with zoning regulations, and helping you navigate the complex situations between the Agency of Healthcare Administration rules and regulations versus your local city and zoning ordinances and regulations. The two are not the same. Because I help clients get licensed throughout the state of Florida on their first inspection, and because I do this as a full-time career, I come across so many different scenarios and so many different situations. And lucky you, you're getting the front seat of all of that knowledge. Why do I do that? My goals are to get as many good people in the ALF industry as possible and to help you figure out your way into creating a business that is worthwhile and rewarding for both you and the clients that you serve. That means learning how to make money, doing the thing that you do that brings so much value. It's so much quality of life to our seniors. Both you and my seniors deserve to be thriving, serving, doing the thing that you were meant to do while you make a huge difference. So in my videos, expect to get real strategies because time is our most valuable asset. If you know me well, you know I don't like to waste people's time, and I want to make sure you get value out of every single video, walking away with things that you didn't know before and being able to have clear steps and begin to take action. So I'm so excited. We're going to talk about licensing, regulations, marketing. We're even going to talk about what we wish as operators, family members would know about us and how we would love to be treated and the things that they can do to help us help them. Also, if you're a family member who landed on my page, you're also going to get strategies on what to do when mom and dad need help and you simply don't know what these symptoms mean, how to navigate the world of assisted living. Because on a day-to-day basis, I am on either planning a conference or because on a day-to-day basis, I am either dealing with the planning and zoning department, sitting on meeting boards, conversations with the Agency of Healthcare Administration, ACA, partnership conversations with my clients, and the different people that they find to partner up with. So assisted living and senior care is what I live and breathe. You get the opportunity to sit forefront and get all those strategies, all those experiences that I deal with on a daily basis, pitfalls to avoid. I mean, the stories that I can tell you from people just making the wrong decisions because of lack of structure, lack of guidance. They don't have the correct information. And there's so much hearsay out there. And the world of senior care, the world of assisted living could really be so confusing. So if you're opening an ALF in Florida, I'm excited for you because my videos are going to save you a lot of pain and suffering. Outside of the business world, I'm a mom of 3 who love to travel. I also have 2 little cats, and clearly I love to serve people. So yes, this is what my videos are going to be all about. One of these days I might pop up with some things. I may also share my chain of thought, the things that I am also working on. And so here, this is a family. Welcome to my YouTube family. And if you find my videos helpful, please consider to like, subscribe, and share it with someone that will find it valuable. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.